Hey thinkers, welcome back to ThinkSharpAlley. Today we have got another HOTS question on compound interest, and the interesting part today is we are not using any usual CI formula. So stay tuned till the end to see how we find the principle step by step. A certain sum of money is invested at a rate of 5% per annum compound interest, the interest compounded annually. So since the interest is compounded annually, which means principal will change every year. And the difference between the interest of third year and first year is given. That means CI of third year minus CI of first year is rupees 102.50 paise. Find the sum, which means we have to find the principal. So first of all, we'll take the principal to be X. And for the first year, we have principal as X, rate as 5%, time as 1 year. So we will calculate CI, which is principal into rate into time by 100, and that gives me upon cancellation x by 20. Now we will calculate the amount at the end of first year, which is first year's principal x plus CI, that is x by 20, which is rupees 21x by 20. This one will become principal for the next year. So for the second year, only thing that changes is the principal 21x by 20. And we calculate again CI in the same manner, P into R into T by 100 and then the amount. So principal into rate into time by 100 and we've cancelled. So we got our CI for the second year is 21x by 400. And let's calculate the amount. Remember to use this year's principal, which is 21x by 20, and CI of the second year, which is again 21x by 400. That is rupees 441x by 400. Now we come to the final year, that is the third year. Here the principal becomes 441 by 400x, right? So we'll calculate CI again in the same manner. Principal into rate into time by 100. We'll do the calculation wherever possible. So 520, 100. So that gives me 441x by 8000. Now as per the problem they have said, interest of the third year, which means this, minus interest of the first year, which means just x by 20, is this. So let us write that down. Interest for the third year minus interest of the first year is equals to rupees 102.50. Now this is a simple linear equation which upon solving will get the answer. So let's quickly solve it out. So let's do the calculation. Upon cancelling this, we will get 2.5. You can divide and check. 2.5 into 8,000 is rupees 20,000 and X was the principal. So we got our principal to be 20,000. That's it. And that's how we crack this one, thinkers. I hope you understood how the principal keeps changing in compound interest, and that's what makes this problem so interesting. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and of course subscribe to ThinkSharpAlley for more hot style questions and smart shortcuts. See you soon in the next compound interest challenge only on ThinkSharpAlley.